folks, we're back. So anyway, I've got this Recoil starter from a Predator engine, and I've been using it on my generator, and for some reason all the tabs pulled out that retract, and when you pull the thing, they actually attach to the cup to start the engine. So we're going to see if we can put these back in and make it last a little while longer. And then I've got a new one on order. The good news is these things, they're inexpensive. You can get them from anywhere from 30 to 12 to 30 bucks, depending on where you buy them from. You can get them on Amazon, eBay, probably the easiest place to get them. So anyway, let's see if we can put this back together and see if we can get this thing working again. So you've got your tabs right here, and inside there's like a little spring in a cup, and they swing where when you pull the cord, they swing out. So we want to put them in and swing them in. Oh, lost my thing there. So we're going to put those pieces back in here. Get them back into their fittings. Okay, so we've got them back into their fittings there. And then we're going to go ahead and get this thing reloaded. And it's a spring-loaded screw here, so you kind of got to be careful a little bit. Get this crank down just a little bit more so they don't try to pull out of the tabs. Ugh. Okay. So now you can see that they're retracted. And then when we go to pull on this, they'll extend and then retract once again once it starts. Oh. And I'm probably going to put a little lubrication on the coil itself just to make sure that it doesn't hang up. But I think that right there will fix it. So that's a way to temporarily fix it. Best thing is to get a new one because a lot of the parts are plastic and they kind of get wallowed out. But anyway, that should get us started today. And we'll put on the new part once it arrives in the mail. Thanks so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.